Hello friends, we are here to discuss about our main project Smart Stock developed under the esteemed guidance of P. Gopalakrishna sir. Smart Stock represents the pretty teamwork of our team Amulya, Anusha, Manasa and Sadhvi. Coming to our application, I suppose every one of you have a little idea about stock or share market. Have you ever invested in a stock market? If yes, are you messed up with watching your updates on television? What if you can access the changes in the stock market through your mobile? Did you ever think of it? Surprised? Yes, this is possible with our application Smart Stock. Whenever an application is developed, it's our duty to know about the application. This is an application that is developed on Android operating system. The main intention of our application is to provide an interactive stock market. The changes in stocks are updated time to time. How this application is developed. We have used Eclipse IDE to develop this project. This project is a collaboration of .java files coded in Java and .xml files coded in XML. By linking these XML layout files to Java files, the output of the project is generated. How to run this application? Download Astro software into your mobile, copy the .apk file, install the application on your mobile. As soon as you run the application, the start page appears. The start page is coded in such a way that on just touching the screen of the start page, it directs you to the home page. The current stock price of the company is displayed in the form of a list. The stock is represented using seek bars. For more interactive way of analyzing the stocks, go to user login tab, log in into your account. Coming to the login page, we have two scenarios in this page. One, where you do not possess any account. In this scenario, you need to register by clicking the sign up button. The second scenario, where you already own an account. In this scenario, you need to enter your user ID and password and click login to enter your account. Coming to the first scenario, which is registration page. For creating a new account, you need to provide the required information mentioned in the form. Once you are done with that, click on submit button. You are provided the user ID so that you can log into your account with your respective password. Coming to the second scenario, which is my page. Once you log on to your account, you are called a personalized user. You can access homepage and you can add or remove the companies you are interested in to the list in the my page. You can view the changes in the stocks in the form of charts just by clicking chat in more interactive manner. The chart is displayed as this. You can view variations in stocks for a particular interval of time of a particular company. The time variations can be changed to 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year by touching the respective buttons. A graph with a duration of 1 year is displayed in default. We can even compare the company stocks of the companies present in our list by clicking compare all. A graph with a duration of 1 year is displayed in default. More than a normal user, we have advantages for a personalized user. A personalized user can add or remove companies from his list. He can check the stocks of a particular company or compare the stocks of different companies. Even homepage is also available for the personalized user. Our application is soon to be launched in the Android market. Take the advantages of our application. Thank you.